Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable video pin downloads on Pinterest. If you're a creator and want to allow others to download your video pins, this feature will help you share your content while keeping your username visible. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Tap your profile picture located at the top corner of the screen. To access your account settings, scroll down and select Social Permissions. From here, turn on Video Pin Downloads. Once this setting is enabled, users can download your video pins, and it will include a watermark with your username. This ensures credit is given when others share or download your video content. And that's how you enable video pin downloads on Pinterest. This feature is a great way to share your content while maintaining credit for your work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.